desiring, but I really wanted to have a heart-to-heart about sometimes what manifesting and creation and building and ascension can look like. We have a car with a computer, so it's not working properly, so you've got to turn it off and reignite the computer. And that's a perfect analogy for manifesting. And sometimes you really do need to reach a point in your life where you're like, okay, enough is enough. So I always say, when your back is up against the wall, you're right to rise. So yesterday, I'm literally renovating a sound studio in my house, and we've gutted out the whole lower floor. And I just was like, something's not right, and I held off buying a home, or I wanted to buy a house to put offices in them, and I held off for a while. My dad was really sick last year before he died. I was very busy with that. It wasn't the right time. And then there I am spending money on this studio, which will be used for something else. But literally yesterday I was like, okay, I'm done. I don't want to have my work, even though I love my work, I don't want to have my work at my house any longer. We have 8 full-time staff. Just hired a new one, Marianne, on Friday. So I'm like, I want more space. I want more lushness. I think it'll be great for my team as well. It's going to create a lot more structure and space. And it's also going to be really good for my personal life and my family life and my daughter. And so I literally just called all these real estate agents. I started looking online, and I'm going to see 3 or 4 properties today, and I'm going to make it happen. So I just wanted to share that with you today. So what do you want? What are you desiring? How are you going to make it happen? Yes, there is a level of vibration of allowing and receiving and conjuring, and also there is also the actualization. So usually there is also some level. I mean, the desire is great. You can start to manifest and bring things to you really quickly. But for me, what I do is a mixture of a few things, which is, claiming it, getting laser lucid clear, but then also acting and doing what I need to do in order to create it incredibly quickly. So whether it's a sense that I have to reach out to someone, call someone, follow up with something, and I just move. I don't want to wait. I want it to happen with grace. I want it to happen with ease. I set a really clear intent, and then I get busy with it, both energetically but also in my deliberate action. Okay, beauties, have a great day.